In this video, you'll learn how to check your Agoda loyalty program status and understand what benefits come with it. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just starting to use Agoda, knowing where to find your loyalty level helps you make the most of your bookings and unlock better deals over time. First, make sure you're logged into your Agoda account. This part is important because the loyalty details are tied directly to your personal profile. If you're not signed in, you won't see your status at all. So open Agoda in your browser or app, log in with your usual details, and once you're in, you'll be taken to your home dashboard. From your Agoda home dashboard, look towards the top of the screen for your profile picture or profile icon. This is usually in the upper corner and represents your account settings and personal information. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. This opens a small menu that lets you access different parts of your account. In that menu, look for the option labeled Agoda VIP. Select Agoda VIP to open your loyalty program page. This is where Agoda shows you your current tier, your progress, and the perks that come with it. You don't have to do anything complicated here. Simply clicking Agoda VIP will load all the information you need in one place. Agoda VIP works as a tier-based system. The levels typically start at bronze, then move up to silver, gold, platinum, and finally diamond. Your tier increases the more you book through Agoda. In other words, as you complete more stays or eligible bookings, Agoda moves you into higher tiers over time. Each jump in tier usually means better perks, so it's worth checking this page occasionally to see how you're progressing. On your Agoda VIP page, you'll see your current tier highlighted, along with information about how close you are to the next level. Take a moment to review what your tier offers. While the exact details can change, higher tiers generally unlock more savings and better access to special rates. One of the main benefits of the Agoda VIP program is access to exclusive deals. These offers are clearly marked so you can spot them while you're browsing. When you search for hotels or accommodations, look for deals that have a deals badge with a VIP style star icon. That little badge is your signal that the price you're seeing is a special Agoda VIP rate. Every time you book one of these VIP deals, you're getting a lower price that regular, non-VIP users won't see. This means your loyalty status directly translates into savings on your bookings. As you continue to book and maintain or improve your tier, more of these special offers can appear in your search results, giving you more chances to save. Agoda is also expanding these benefits beyond hotels. They're adding VIP deals on flights as well. So over time, you can expect to see similar special prices when you're searching for airline tickets through Agoda. That way, your loyalty doesn't just help with accommodations, but can also reduce your overall travel costs. So to recap the process in a simple way, log into Agoda, go to your home dashboard, click your profile picture and select Agoda VIP. From there, you can see your tier, understand your benefits, and look out for the star deals badges whenever you search. That's all you need to check your Agoda loyalty program and start taking advantage of the perks that come with it.